Financial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of recording, analyzing, and reporting on a company's business activities in order to produce financial statements that are used by stakeholders, internal and external, to assess a company's financial soundness. As a result, financial accounting reports are critical in deciding a company's goals, how it will run, and the number allocation of human and other resources to various departments. Who benefits from financial accounting? External audiences of financial information, unlike firm management or internal stakeholders, are not directly involved in the operation of the business or organization. They are outsiders in the profession with minimal knowledge of the company's operations, financial status, and overall health. To put it another way, external users are the ones who need financial information about businesses in order to make sound financial decisions. Financial accounting's ultimate objective is to consolidate company transactions and other relevant documents, such as invoices and sales receipts, into general-purpose financial statements to be understood by outside audiences. The fundamental principle here is that external stakeholders must be able to comprehend and apply this financial data when making business decisions. It's pointless to have information if it can't be utilized. To ensure that financial statements are comparable and intelligible, the Financial Accounting Standards Board (FASB) developed a set of accounting rules or guidelines. Importance of financial accounting for business. One of the most significant fields of accounting is financial accounting. It delivers a wealth of information that is critical to the workplace and assists businesses in recording and tracking all financial data, as well as understanding the company's health and making informed decisions. The financial accounting helps business organizations in keeping track of financial transactions, comparison and analysis of financial data, information dissemination to internal parties, information dissemination to external audience, helps in effective business management. Thanks for watching.